Hi, welcome to Nursing 406, Leadership and Management in Nursing. My name is Melissa Scott, and I will be the faculty member facilitating this course. My clinical background is emergency nursing and clinical education. I transitioned into the academic setting in 2014. I received my associate degree in nursing from Central Carolina Technical College in Sumter, South Carolina. From there, I took advantage of travel nursing opportunities and then completed my RN to BS at East Carolina University in 2007. I then went on to earn my master's degree in nursing education, and this December completed my PhD in nursing also from East Carolina. I have functioned in various leadership roles as a clinical practice nurse and as a nurse educator. I'm looking forward to sharing my expertise and learning from your clinical and personal experiences as well. Among other things, this course focuses on the knowledge and skills needed to be a contributing member of an interprofessional team. We will be using 2 textbooks that are listed in the syllabus to facilitate your learning. Blackboard Course Management System will be the primary method of coursework and communication throughout the semester. All email communication should be sent through your UNCW email account. Our classes are asynchronous, meaning that learning and classwork will occur according to your schedule, keeping in mind that there are specific due dates and times for assignments. The course is arranged in 7 modules, and you can access them on the left tab of your Blackboard account. Each week contains a list of the learning activities that are to be completed within that learning week. All modules begin on Monday at midnight and conclude on the following Sunday, 11:55 p.m. Begin the course by accessing the welcome message and reviewing all of the documents and resources within the course, especially the syllabus. Use the Start Here page to arrange how you're going to start to review the course. If you have any general questions, please post those on the General Questions forum. This will allow others to benefit from the information provided. If you have a personal matter, please email me or arrange for a phone conference so that we can take care of that on a one-to-one basis. I look forward to working with you this semester and helping you meet your academic goals and, of course, enhance your knowledge and skills in leadership. Thank you.